Hi there, and welcome to part 4 of the DIY programmable pedalboard loop switcher build. I've made some progress on this, but I have been really busy lately, working, had family stuff going on, gigging. There's an example of that. And I just haven't had the time to actually finish this project, but I have made some headway on it. So let's check it out. So here's the front panel, and externally it hasn't really changed much at all, but if we turn over, you'll see that I've made quite a bit of progress here. We've got all the boards wired up with the LEDs on them. We've got connectors to go to the Arduino board to actually run those LEDs. All of the resistors for the LEDs are on the board so that they get the correct power supplied to them as far as current and voltage is concerned. And all of the switches are wired up, and I've made up this this board to actually connect up to the Arduino Mega. So that all of the switches will work. They've got resistors as well to ground, so that the switches will actually pull the pins high whenever they're pressed, and that's how the Arduino will know that you've actually pressed a switch and want to make a programming selection. So if we go to the main enclosure, and you can see I've made some progress here as well. I still haven't mounted the Mega. I've had problems with that. There's very tight tolerances on some of these holes, and there's tracks running quite close to these holes, and yeah, I've just had a few dramas with mounting this thing. I would have thought that it would have been a lot easier to mount than it has been, but anyway, I will get on top of that. Apart from that, the entire signal path has been wired up. So there's the input jack, and that goes all the way through all of the relays to the output jack, and there's a through signal path when there's no power on this thing, which is a handy little thing to have. So if you have a power failure within the board itself or something goes wrong with it, you can always unplug it and you'll still have a signal going to your amp. Apart from that, I've got these ribbon cables connected to the board. I've also soldered wires directly on the back of the Arduino board to the power jack, just to save a little bit of room so I don't have to use this jack here. But yeah, it's getting very close. I'm very close to having this thing running. I've just got to mount this board, connect up the front panel to it, which won't take very long at all, and run power for each of the relays, just a positive wire going over to the power jack, and that's pretty much it. And then we're up to the programming stage. So probably next video I'll be up to the programming stage, and yeah, it should be good. So I hope you found this little update interesting, informative, and maybe a little bit inspirational. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Have a great day. I'll catch you later.